Eric Abram here, and welcome to another video. I bet you're like, who is this guy? Who is that guy? Look, it's me. I'm so sorry. I've been out of commission for a while. I'm gonna have to drop some videos to let you guys know what's been going on with me. Why I haven't done any videos lately. But I've been working on a few things. I moved. I worked on a few projects. I built an app. I've been doing everything, mentoring, coaching, all that good stuff. Doing jujitsu, etc. That's why I got my rash guard on right now. I want to do a quick little video before I go to class. But anyways, I brought you all here today to talk about something that popped up in my email this morning, and I thought it was really freaking cool. You guys ever worked with like InVision? And InVision used to create all these like prototype things that you can now do in Figma, etc., right? But they also have this product called Freehand. And Freehand is similar to like a FigJam, Miro, or Miro, sort of the same thing. But InVision has stepped up, and I think others are going to follow suit. But they have incorporated generative AI into Freehand. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to get access so I can play with it, but I just want to kind of walk you through to what I'm seeing online right now. Let me just go ahead and share my screen. But check this out. Look, Freehand AI, the next step forward to the intelligent canvas. Man, I was watching the videos on this, and it's pretty freaking cool. All the things you can do with this is it'll take your information, it'll synthesize that data, it'll write out a product brief based on the like collaboration effort that you guys use with the sticky notes. It's pretty freaking cool. Guys, go and check out this article. Link's right up here. Check it out. You know, read through this. But I want to watch this video real quick. Let me just pop this open. So I'm taking the sound off because we don't want no copyright strikes. But let's just watch this video and react to some of the things we got. So first of all, nice video. Nice animations, pretty slick. But yo, I'm looking at this and they got the to-do list, which is pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that within Freehand. But what's also dope is it's gonna show all these sticky notes right here. Boom. You can basically, I don't know if you highlight these or you click a button or whatever, and it could take all these sticky notes and it will create those like little clusters or groups based on what the sticky notes say. Like basically, you know, doing like affinity diagram or affinity mapping. The AI does the affinity mapping for you. You don't even have to think about it, man. You might have to like, you know, read through it and make sure that you're doing it correctly. But overall, like it just does it for you. I'm like, oh my God. Let's just continue to watch this video a little bit further as I'm talking. So you got some code in here. I don't mess with that. Explain the code. What? Did it just say explain the code? Code explanation. This code block is a fun. Bruh. Wow. I didn't even see that when I watched this. When what else can it do? Generate task. So you mean to tell me that when you're in the collaboration thing and you're doing all these sticky notes, you click on generate task, it's going to create to-dos or user stories based on that? Let me quit pausing. Yes, it does. What is happening right now? Look at this. This is what I was talking about earlier. It took like all the little sticky notes and it grouped them into the right thing. As you can see this word up here, product brief. Look, your mind's about to be blown. I'm gonna stop talking real quick. Watch this. Watch this. No freaking way. Look at this. This video is brought to you by Springboard. Springboard is an online learning and career platform that helps you find a unique space that you want to go into, whether it be user experience, data science, data analytics, whatever. Springboard has it for you. Also, Springboard has a job guarantee that they have in place. So basically, if you don't get a job in your desired field within 6 months after you complete the course, you get your money back. You get your tuition back. You get all that back, which is pretty cool. And because you are an Ugly Unicorn subscriber and an Ugly Unicorns listener, you will get $1,000 off the course when you use code Ugly Unicorns SB 1000. That is UGLYUNICORNSSB 1000. You will get $1,000 off your course at checkout. I will put a link below to the page where you can go and sign up and get that $1,000 off. So make sure you guys go and do that. Like I always say, don't just be a unicorn, be an ugly unicorn and become a UX unicorn with Springboard. Look at this. Based on the collaboration effort of your team, with all the sticky notes that you produce, it creates a product brief with an objective, hypothesis, success measurements, and user stories. I'm gonna repeat, it creates user stories for you. This is insane. This is a game changer. You know how much time this is gonna save? Like a lot of product designers and product managers and POs and all those other people. The amount of time that it takes to come up with a product brief based on the conversations you've had, meetings, etc., etc., it takes a long freaking time. This helps you get to that point A super quick. It's like 90% baked, and all you gotta do is make sure that it, it's correct, and you adjustments and everything like that. But yo, this is crazy. Let's gather some more shit. Okay, let me rewind that. What did I say? I want to see the options. Summarize, group by sentiment, generate ideas, generate questions. What, you can generate questions too? Whoa. All right, cool. Let's see what it does. It's gonna do what? See, this is what I was talking about earlier. Positive, neutral, negative. So this can also be good for like if you're doing like a retrospective, right? If you're like, okay, we're gonna group all these things that people talk about, these are our pains and gains. The AI would do it for you. It'll put, you can just literally just put like, hey, everybody just go ham on like what you like, what you don't like. We'll let the AI group it for us. We don't even have to think about it. Yo, this is workshop prompt. This is insane. This is insane. Configure freehand AI. So I can configure it. Product brief, prompt. What? I could give this, but basically, I wonder if this is GPT technology that they're using. I wonder if they use that model and they're training it. I'm not sure, but you could basically give it a prompt like Chat GPT. It exports out whatever. You can save it as a template. You can come back to it, which is pretty freaking cool. Yes, it's a lot cheaper than the other options, which makes sense. These are very expensive. Yeah, this is, by the way, I am not sponsored by Envision. Not sponsored, not affiliated, not an influencer, not a nothing. I am just here to talk about all the cool technology that is happening within our space that we all need to look at and just jump on. Like, we can't sit back and say like, oh my gosh, I don't like AI because it might take away my job. Like, I'm the dude that's like, hey, I like this AI because it helps me do my job more efficiently, helps me do my job faster, and also eliminate some of the things I don't want to do. Like, I hate synthesizing data. Like, I love collecting it and gathering, but synthesizing and put into a PowerPoint deck, it's a nightmare, man. It takes a long time. And this tool here is going to help you accomplish that a lot faster. Go from messy to structured in seconds. Yes, you definitely do. Look at this. This is that. See, man, you guys don't even know. You guys don't even own this. All you guys care about is like, oh, what's the next design software? Like, what's the next like prototyping software? Think about this. Nobody has done anything. Well, people have done collaboration tools, but nobody's taken collaboration tools to the next level like Envision's doing with their freehand product. It's taking it, it's basically adding that sauce on top, like Bing, like the Bing chat, whatever. Like, you go to Bing, you type in a prompt, blah, 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 get you things. This is like that, man. But it's a collaboration tool that's gonna help out everybody and everybody. So this is dope, man. Like, look at this stuff. I'm not gonna read all this, but like, turn insights into action. Basically what it's saying is like, yo, based on the backlog and brainstorm, you can create to-do lists. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Yo, shouts out to Envision. Hey, yo, if y'all want to, sponsor a video, holla at your boy. You know, I don't like giving out too much free press. But anyways, guys, that is what I wanted to show today. Generative AI, I cannot say this word to save my life. Generative AI is here. And you as a designer need to figure out how to incorporate it into your workflow and your process, because it won't hinder you. It can only help you and enhance you and make you a more efficient designer, make you a better designer, make you a more accurate designer. You know, it can just help you elevate your skill set. So you're not wasting time on mundane tasks. You can spend your time efficiently saying like, okay, now that I have this collaboration document, now I have the creative brief, now I can move faster getting to what I want to do, is like designing, right? Because everybody wants to design. I mean, some people. I'm not me. I don't really care for design. I like doing all the user research and data collection, talking to users and things like that. But anyways, if you're into that, this will help you, you know, get through that process a lot faster, so you can get to doing what you really want to do, right? So if you guys haven't checked it out, go to Freehand, not a sponsor, check it out. I don't know if the AI features inside yet. I don't know if they're running a beta. I'm not sure if it's available yet, but yo, at least check out the blog. I might put the blog in the link below. But anyways, guys, haven't done this in a while, but like I always say, don't just be a unicorn, be an ugly unicorn. Peace.